Hey beauties, I want to show you really quick on how to use Pic Collage. I use Pic Collage to make a lot of things that I post on social media. So I clicked on collages so you can see that I have different collages that I've made, and a lot of times I reuse a lot of these. So like for instance, this is like a text invite that you can use for your hostesses to kind of send out and text out and post. So this is just something that I have kind of made, and you can download any picture that you want. So this is what I use, and then you can actually edit and then change it to whatever date that you want it to, and then you hit done, and then you hit save. So, and it will download to your phone, so that way you can text it out to your hostesses. So you can change anything that you want on here, and you don't have to, copy a new one. You can just write over it. And every time you save it, it'll save whatever editing that you've done to that picture. Okay. So, and then you can also share it to Instagram, to Facebook, to Messenger. You can message it to your hostess. But really quick, I am going to show you how to make a brand new one. So you just click on the plus sign, and I don't know if this is going to be a little different between Androids and iPhones, but I've downloaded a couple of images. So in mine, it comes in like different albums. So I know these are the ones in my download. So I am just going to do that. And then you'll see that you can choose different backgrounds or stuff that's already made out for you. If you like any of these formats, but you can actually make your own if you like. So you can change it around if you want. I like this one because then you can move your pictures wherever you want. And I love this cute background. So then I'm just going to hit edit up on top. Ooh, that background changed. It's now flowers. It wasn't flowers earlier. So you can change. I'm just squinting it out. Or this arrow on the top right-hand corner of the picture, you can zoom in and out that way too. Or you can do the zoom in, like pinch your fingers method. All right, so this is what I'm doing is saying what kind of themes we can do for the summertime. So I am going to make a text. Whoops. And I'm going to say summer party themes. All right. Ooh, I like that font. So, but you can choose different fonts here. You can also change the color of your wording that you want. Let's just do bright green, right? So, and you can make it and I'll show you here. Edit. And if you wanted to block it out as like have a background, you can totally do that too. So that way it pops out. So summer party themes, put that there, and also right here, just be careful not to put too close to the trash symbol up there, because you'll be like crap, and all you have to do is just hit the undo button up on top. Okay, so summer party themes. I'm actually going to change the background because I don't think that I'm going to like it now. Oops, I don't need photos. Sorry. So we're going to go text. So we're going to do one. We're going to do sandals and sangria. And I think with this one, I want to, I like that. I think I'm going to have to figure out what I want. I don't want no background, but I think the color should totally be like red, like sangrias. Yeah. Ooh, or a sangria so we can have an orange background. Dun dun dun, right? Maybe a lighter orange. Yeah. So that way then it kind of goes with the theme. So go sandals and sangria, and then obviously here. So we'll have number 2. What about flops and Jello shots. Done. So what do you think we should do here? It's kind of hard to read. That looks fun. What about that? Yeah. We can change any of this stuff later. Okay. And then flip-flops and Jello shots. We're going to like, oh, look, that's the same color as the flip-flops. And then Jello shot. And then we're going to, ooh, hello, go away. All right. And then we could do, oh, where's my banana split one? So here. Oh no, my banana split didn't save. We have to go back and go find my banana split. Because I have to do a banana split. Banana split. Do-do-do. It's not very clear. All right. Download image. See, that baby downloaded this time. Okay, so then we're going to go back to your Pic Collage. Back to my downloads. There it is. All right. Okay, now it's added. Now I can then do 3 banana split party. My favorite party, by the way. Love my banana split. Banana split. Banana nana. Alright, I think banana split needs to be somewhat colorful too. Ooh, that's good. Maybe we can find a cool background. Yeah, how about that? Okay, banana split parties. And then 4, we got margarita. Apparently, I can't spell it. Why can't I spell it? Margarita Mania. And that was number 4, right? Done. All right, so I like that. Margaritas. Margaritas are green. What about background? Background lime. Ooh, that doesn't work out very well, does it? How about we just do white? Yeah. Margarita Mania. And then 5, luau. So I'm just going to make a Luau. Okay. So I'm just going to make a post on Facebook just to try to get interaction on my social media. So you should always do some kind of interaction on your social media. Sorry, apparently I can't talk and do this at the same time. I'm not very good at all this. Now, like, see here, the background is too busy. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the background. So click on the backgrounds here. So maybe we could just do just a nice solid background of something. Yeah, that one. Okay. And then, all right. So first we got sandals and sangria. Then we got flip-flops and Jello shots, right? Banana split. 5 is luau. Banana split. Let's move this over here. 4, Margarita Mania. And then 5, luau. So you can arrange it however else that you want to. Oh, that's covering this. So maybe move this down a little. Move this down a little. Maybe I just got this one too big. Let me move that up. There we go. Okay, so one trick that I do have that I do want to tell you is unless you somehow get to save it on Instagram or something, it's going to have the Pic Collage right down here where in the done area, it's going to cover up your lettering. But if you share it on Instagram and save it through there, which you don't actually have to share it on Instagram, just say that you're going to, it put the Pic Collage wording on the side of the picture so it doesn't cover up anything. So there's your summer theme parties, and I'm just going to hit done. So here you can actually hit save, and actually will save to your phone, into your gallery. This, I have the free version, so I don't have any ads, or I mean, so I do have ads because it's free. So, and then we're going to hit Instagram. Okay, and you'll see here it says the Pic Collage is on the far right hand side. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my gallery here really fast, and you will see in my album of Pic Collage, this is the original one. Here you can see the Pic Collage logo on the very bottom, where depending on where you put your pictures, it could cover up your photo. And then you see where I did on Instagram, it's saved on the far right hand side. So again, you don't have to save it on Instagram. It's just, I'm just letting you know where you can, where the Pic Collage logo is. So, and then just go ahead and share it. So, and then heck, from here on my phone, I can share it here, and go ahead and put it on my Facebook and make a post and say, taking, if you had a party, which theme would you choose? Okay, so it's really kind of cool. So that is how to use Pic Collage to make invitations, text invitations, or anything that you want to post on social media, create your own designs. Just Google your images and wada bang, wada boom. All right, hope you guys enjoy.